Our close-up team continues to explore the Western Urals area as they get to know the culture and the traditions of the Udmurtian Republic and its capital city, Izhevsk. The Udmurtian Republic is known for its centuries-long traditions, which represent a mixture of mythology, ancient religions, and ethnic rituals. Its creative spirit gives rise to local talents achieving success both at home and abroad. Well, one of its famous sons, Peter Tchaikovsky, is still one of the most played composers in the world, while others, less famous, do try to make their own cultural mark. RT's Irina Galushka found out just what makes Udmurts tick.
Welcome to the latest installment of the Close-Up series. We're continuing to cover various regions and places in Russia, and this time we're in Udmurtia, a land steeped in rich cultural traditions. It is known as the birthplace of Russian composer Tchaikovsky. This is a place where for centuries Christianity and shamanism, paganism have coexisted peacefully, and of course this is also the place where all of those traditions still pertain and still are very deeply felt to this day. Of course, there's a lot more that Udmurtia can boast in terms of cultural and traditional aspects, and let's watch a report now on some of those things.
When you come to Izhevsk, you're in for a surprise. Though it's known for its weapon-producing factories and plants, the first thing that catches your eye is the city's architecture, which seems to have changed little over the centuries. And once you dig deeper, you'll find the Udmurt people are good at preserving their heritage, and not just on the outside.
Udmurt culture for me is a part of my life. It's a way of my life. You know, my mother's lullabies, my grandmother's songs and proverbs and fairy tales she told me. This is very ecological, very educational, soothing and calming, and very close to nature culture.
But of course, to get a full taste of the Udmurt culture, you have to get out of the city and go to the village, where traditional songs, dances, food and drinks are still very much a part of everyday life.
So we hit the road, trudged through the snow, and ended up in the village of Buranovo, and the home of local celebrities who made waves in Russia's last bid for Eurovision Song Contest glory. But don't expect to find any short skirts and hair extensions here. Most of the stars are over the age of 70 and dress much more tastefully.
We come here in the evening, knit, sew, watch TV and sing during the commercials.
These grandmothers became an unexpected hit, coming one place short of representing their country. But they still caught audiences' imagination with their songs, giving some of the world's best-known hits a new sound.
After Eurovision, we wanted to come home quietly. The Udmurt are shy people and we didn't want to make a fuss. But people found out, and when we got back to our village, they gave us a grand welcome back party with songs and dances.
And these babushkas take a creative, hands-on approach to everything they do.
What I'm trying to do right now is help these ladies make perepechi, which is sort of like mini pizzas. You make this little basket and then you put the stuffing inside. This is a traditional dish, and we're going to try and see what comes out of it. Afterwards, we're going to hear some singing.
What we do, people do the same thing in every village in Udmurtia.
The people here seem to have a song for every occasion, be it a wedding, baptism, birth, or seeing a young man off to the army. Whatever life throws at them, the Udmurt find a way to mark it, and maybe it's that approach which has kept these traditions going strong for hundreds of years. In Udmurtia, Irina Galushka, RT.